here in the campus community garden at the University of Houston. This is part of the University of Houston inaugural Earth Week. So we're starting it out with Crafty Cougs, which we had on Monday, and today we're doing the What's Cooking Cougs tour. And we're having a tour of the campus community garden. It's an area of campus completely devoted to organic growing principles. So we use crop rotation to help with pest mitigation because we don't use any pesticides or insecticides in the garden, nor any herbicides. The history of the garden really started in 2008 when the university was working with Urban Harvest, and they were looking at ways that we could leverage a partnership to work with the nonprofit on campus and in the community. And the idea came about to have a community garden where we had volunteers come out from the campus, from the community, and help grow organic produce and teach our students here on campus about the importance of sustainable agriculture and supporting our local community. So this location here behind me is the actual third location of the campus gardens at the university. We had two locations previously located near Cougar Village 1, and those locations didn't have the best irrigation, so we moved them to a better location with more space and with better qualities for irrigation here. And we have 10 beds of all organic produce. It started out as 15 beds, and we are looking to expand back to 15 beds and also eventually add a greenhouse and some storage out here. And we're also trying to work more with groups on campus. We have a lot of community and campus groups that come out and work in the garden, like the Metropolitan Volunteer Program. So they'll be coming out later today from 4 to 7, and they'll be helping us plant for our spring and summer season. Right now the garden might look a little chaotic, but that's just part of the process. Things grow, they go to seed, then you pull them out, then you plant something else. So it really gives students a hands-on approach to agriculture, biology, ecosystem health, soil health. And back in this summer, we started composting. So we're also looking at how we can create a closed loop system in the garden and encouraging people to think beyond just growing a plant, eating the plant, but really thinking from the waste product and how you can turn that waste product into something good for the garden, like soil. So there's a lot going on in the garden. We're also working on an ant plan. We're trying to experiment with different organic methods to mitigate pests. And hopefully we have good results that we can use, and other universities can put that into place at their organic gardens as well. To help support the local community, the garden donates all of our produce and herbs to food pantries in the 3rd Ward and 5th Ward, areas that are really seen as food deserts because the citizens who live in those areas don't have access to fresh, healthy produce. So what we do is we take everything out of the garden and donate them to those food pantries, and the response that we get is really positive. People in the community are very supportive of the garden. We're hoping to get even more support from people in the community and on campus. So if you want to get involved in what we're doing, then follow us on social media. Go to uh.edu/garden or email us at gardening@uh.edu.